Spend less, invest more. Let's change the narrative. YouTube, what it do, man? It's your boy Nature's Dope. Back another video in JD Nation. What's down with it, man? Yes, sir. As y'all see by the title, we're gonna be talking about spending less and investing more. Yes, sir, bro. Let's switch it up, bro. Let's switch it up this year, man. And I say that because I've been on my own like financial journey and stuff like that, I'll say my wealth building journey, you feel me? Which I should have started years ago, but hey, it's better late than never, you know what I'm saying? We all have our times in our life where we are financially irresponsible, you know what I'm saying? Some of you guys watching the video may not have had that, you know what I'm saying? Y'all have been on top of your finances since you probably graduated high school or since y'all were little, you know what I'm saying? But for somebody like me who really wasn't properly educated on finances and things like that, and this is by no means a financial channel or nothing like that, I'm just, you know, I just felt really compelled to make this video. And by the time y'all watching this, well, today that I'm filming this is Thanksgiving, and by the time y'all see this, it's gonna be dropped on my birthday, November 28th. So my day, or the day right after Thanksgiving. So yeah, bro. So if y'all want to comment happy birthday down below, hey, I really appreciate it, man. I really appreciate it. But I thought about this because I've really been in like I said, on my wealth building journey like since last year and stuff like that, man. And I've really just been thinking about like priorities, or keeping my priorities first. I'll say that. This year, like every year for my birthday, I've always spent my money on something that I wanted, something that brought me satisfaction, something that gave me that dopamine hit. You feel me? And last year I went out of the country, you know what I'm saying? Me and my sis celebrated our birthdays because our birthdays is like literally 2 days apart. So we celebrated our birthday in Dominican Republic, you feel me? And so yeah, that was cool, and I was on my wealth building journey then, but it kind of like slowed me down a little bit, you know what I'm saying? And so this year I'm like, bro, I want to do something different for my birthday. Not really like do something, but as far as like spending money wise goes, like purchases and stuff like that, like every year I would always buy sneakers for my birthday. I would probably I remember like before I turned like 25 and stuff like that, I would go to the club. You know what I'm saying? Like just do something financially irresponsible for my birthday. So this year I was about to say my age, but yeah, I'll just say it, bro. For my 33rd birthday, bro, because it's a blessing to be 33, bro. For my 33rd birthday, I was like, bro, I want to do something different, something that I've never done before for my birthday. Instead of spending money, I want to invest my money. And so really over this past week, I've just really been making those investments within myself, within my business and things like that. And also doing something different too, like investing into some ETFs. You feel me? And I'm no financial advisor, but these are just things that I'm doing for myself, for my future self, instead of just buying something that's gonna like wear off, or something like those back there. You feel me? Like buying something like that back there, and as soon as I put them on my feet, the value's gone, you know, or even not even that, like holding them or keeping them inside of a box and just letting the value drop, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'd rather put my money in something that's going to multiply my money. And I feel like we all need to do that, bro. I feel like we all need to take that approach as far as like putting your priorities first and putting your future self first, you know, because your future self will thank you later. I'm not going to tell you guys what ETFs I'm investing in or anything like that. I'll probably do that in like a future separate video once I really start like diversifying my portfolio and stuff like that. But something that's going to help me out later on in life, you know what I'm saying, and not necessarily right now, you know, because I've got all the shoes I want. Well, I've had all the shoes I want. I've sold shoes and things like that. Even just like trips, I've been on different trips. I've been well, not everywhere that I wanted to go, but as far as like, especially last year, yeah, like last year was something totally different. Going out of the country for my birthday was crazy. You feel me? So, not just crazy as far as the experience, but with the pockets as well too. You know what I'm saying? And of course I got that money back, but because you can't recreate experiences, you know what I'm saying? So I'm not saying don't go out the country or don't travel for your birthday. Yeah, travel for your birthday, bro. Get those experiences. Bro, I would rather you travel for your birthday than to buy something that's going to itch that dopamine hit in the moment. You know what I'm saying? Because you can live with that memory of that experience from that trip for a lifetime. You know what I'm saying? And you can't recreate that. I can easily go back and buy whatever I was going to buy later on, you know. But as far as like those experiences, I hate to use the phrase, but you only live once. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, create those experiences now with your family, with your friends. And I think that's why I like having my birthday around Thanksgiving, because it really just makes me reflect on the things that I'm grateful for in life, you know. But yeah, so I'm taking initiative because it's so crazy, bro. This year, if y'all are sneakerheads, y'all know that the Black Cap Jordan 4s are dropping on November 28th, which is my birthday, which is today. You know what I'm saying? And I've really been back and forth, like, do I really want to get those? You know what I'm saying? But I'm like, nah. Because I got future plans, you know, that if I buy those, or if I were to buy those, they would like stunt my growth and things like that. Or they wouldn't stop my growth, but they'll like low-key slow down the process, you know what I'm saying? And I have such a momentum right now that I'm in as far as like my wealth building journey. I have so much great momentum right now, bro. I don't want to mess that up. So instead of, you know, making a impulsive purchase, I would rather purchase something or invest my money into something that's going to help me out later on down the line, you know, and that'll help my progress along my wealth building journey, you know. So yeah, man. Yeah, bro. I was like, bro, I really just want to do something different, bro. Like something that's not going to give me instant gratification, something that's going to, and I would encourage you guys to do the same. You know, it don't have to be investing in the ETF. Y'all don't have to take it that extreme. You know, you can invest in an idea that you had for the past year, past 2 years, past month, day, week, even. You know, and just put your money somewhere where it's a startup to something that's going to grow over time. And I'll tell you guys something, or I'll show you guys something that I bought recently that is going to help out this channel a lot. I bought this little GoPro because I've been had this GoPro for years. I think I was gifted this like years ago, and I never used it because I never had a memory card because I needed a memory card. Well, oh dang it, I didn't know it was going. But yeah, I bought some memory cards for the GoPro because I plan on like taking this out and about while I'm out and about doing my deliveries and stuff, and just filming videos, because I be having like video ideas that I want to do, but I have to wait to get home because I be using my phone to work. So yeah, having this, I will be able to, you know, film videos out while I'm driving. And I have this car mount. But yeah, I bought this car mount for my GoPro. You know what I'm saying? I've been had a case and stuff like that. I just needed like a little car mount for it. So yeah, bro, I've been making smart purchases this like all this week. And then I also have something that's gonna upgrade the YouTube channel. I bought some little clip-on mics, you know what I'm saying, for better audio. Just like those little small things, I've been like investing in myself and also into this channel and also other YouTube channels as well that I do have. So but I would encourage you guys to do the same, whether that be, you know, your birthday or just right now. You feel me? Like you don't have to wait until your birthday. You can literally invest in yourself and into your future self so that, you know, you can be better off than you are right now, because we are living in crazy time. The economy is crazy right now. You feel me? So it's like you got to start up some side hustles to just, you know, put you ahead of everybody else that isn't thinking like that. But yeah, not even side hustles, just being more financially literate and more smart with your money. You know what I'm saying? More financially responsible. Yeah, but I just took the smart route this year and was like, yo, you know what? I'm gonna just do something different, dog, and I'm gonna invest in my future self. You know, I'm not gonna spend nothing. I'm gonna put that money that I I'm gonna take that $220 that I was gonna spend on them Jordans, and I'm gonna put them somewhere else. And that's where this came from. These memory cards came from, and the mics, and then also the ETFs, man. So that's my birthday gift to myself, my future self. You feel me? So yeah, thank y'all for the birthday wishes. If y'all wish me happy birthday and all that good stuff, man. But yeah, I definitely want to dive more deeper into, like, you know, the finance world and stuff like that. Not too deep into it, but the next couple of videos I'm gonna be talking about, you know, just like the habits I've been like incorporating in my everyday life. Yeah, man, if you're new, you like what you see, you like these type of conversations and topics and stuff like that, man. If you're new, subscribe, hit the like button, and also comment down below if you made it this far in the videos. Comment down below, spend less, invest more. Spend less, invest more, man. And yeah, bro, we just gonna keep it rocking like this, man. We're gonna keep it rocking and rolling because we are already in 2026. It may not say it on the calendar yet, but we're already there, man. So I'm gonna be making a video about that coming up soon too. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, bro, that's pretty much it. So now with that being said, it's your boy Nate Just Dope signing out. Deuces.